Hi, welcome to Prime HRM. So, in this video, we will learn about the leave management, how the Prime HRM is providing the leave management system, what are the features inside, how we can configure those features, and how do we perform the entire leave management systems we can see. So, for that, initially you need to log in with your register email ID. So, in my case, let me log in with my register email ID, then hit the password, then click on login. So once you are logged in this particular portal on your particular portal, then you can see your dashboard. So leave request, if you see here request, we don't have any leave requests. So initially for the leave management, let me go to the leave management. So we can see leave categories, department leaves, leave applications, and leave approvals, and leave reports. First I will go with the leave categories. What it does leaves categories say support. So for example, in every organizations we do have a leaves categories, right? Either should be like sick leaves, or paid leaves, earned leaves, or personal leaves, something like that. So let me configure the leave categories. Let me add the leave categories. Okay, so leave categories, in my case, let me add the sick leaves. So it is a carry forward. Yes sir, you can select as a carry forward or not. In my case, 6 leaves are not carry forward. We can select as a no. Okay, save. Okay, so we have one sick on leave. So if you want to add, if you want to modify this sick leaves, you can click on the edit button and you can modify it. And if you want to delete this one, you can do that. So let add another leave categories. So let me add the leave categories. So those nothing but let me add the personal leaves. Personal is carry forward. Yes, click on save. It is done. So now I do have two categories. So what I will do, so for example, let me add the another leave category. Those are nothing but annual leaves. Annual leave. Okay, let me, is it no, it's not a carry forward, let me choose as a no, then save it. So I have finally I have a three leave categories. So initially we already set up the two departments, right? So nothing but IT department and software engineering and junior software engineer, nothing associate. Okay, similarly, so in this case department leave category. So for example, many departments having the many leaves, right? So we need to configure it based on the departments. Maybe some marketing guys, for example, they can go out or they can do whatever they want. So similar, so we can give extra leaves or something based on the departments wise. So in my case, so I have already few more departments I already configured on the configurations. Now I can set up those leaves, whatever the leaves I added on this leave management, I can set up here. So for that case, I need to click on the department leaves details. So I can choose the leave categories. So for my case, what are the leaves I added on the leave management leave categories? So you can see either sick, personal, and for let me add the sick leaves. How many leaves count is available for those particular department? I can add this. Let me click on the sick leaves. So I need to choose the department as a IT. So an IT department, how can leaves I can add nearly? So for sick in a year I can add 12. In a year I can add 12. So in your case, if you want to add the number of that is up to you, your choice. Let me save this one. So in IT department having the sick leaves are at 12, let me add the personal leaves also. So personal leaves, so choose the department, so I need to add the 12 leaves. So in a year IT department, how many leaves are it having? 24 leaves, total 24 leaves in IT. Similarly you can set up for the all the departments also. So if you want to edit this one, you can edit this one, you can modify it, or for example, let me add 10 also, save it. Okay, total 22. 22 leaves per a year. So this will be calculated for the yearly basis. Okay, so now we set up the leave categories and department leaves also both will less. So let me click on the leave applications. So for that leave applications, so let me click on the leave applications. Okay, I need to choose the department, which department I need to add the leaves. Okay, IT department, click on list. In my case, so there is no leaves. Okay, because we didn't apply any leaves to those particular employee, right? For that case I'm adding like this. So in my case, let me click on the add leave applications. So right now I'm raising the one leave for the one particular employee. So let me click on the sick leave. Okay, one employee sick leave. So is Avinash belongs to the software engineering, right? So let me click on the Avinash. So we already configured earlier, right? Avinash is belongs to the software engineering department under the IT department. So I need to choose from date and to date. So let me choose the today date. Today date is the 23. Sorry, third to up to sorry from 6 to sorry from 6 to 7 something 1 day. Okay, let me add the 1 day. Nothing but sick. due to sick, due to sick. Okay, I add this one. Is on duty? No. Let me save this one. So we have a one leave, right? So one leave, right? So this is leave is already added, right? So we have a one leave. So that's nothing but from date to from date. Now it is waiting for approval, right? So we need to approve this leave letter. Okay, so this leave applications. So similarly, you can add a number of leaves to the any one of the particular employees. So you can get it like this. So let me go to the approvals, leave approvals. So I need to choose the department, which department I need to get the approval. So for in case if you want to see the how many leave request you have, you can see leave request we do have one. So we do have one. Okay, so this is fine. So let me go to the leaves, leave approvals. So I need to choose the department, IT department, click on list. So see, I do have this leave, right? So this is waiting for upload. For example, if I want to approve this one, click choose on this one, click on approve. So it is has been approved, right? So if you want to see the how many leaves remaining to this particular employee, you can see that. See this one. Okay, so in this case there is a designing issue, I guess. So we will sort out this one. So this is a demo version, right? For that reason it is showing something like that. So in your account it will show perfectly. Okay, so if you see this one, department is a leave type is a sick, department is IT, and employee is Avinash, from date to date how many leaves. So similarly, how many we configure earlier? So we configure as a nothing but 22, right? Particular employee. So we added the days for 2 days, right? Nothing but from 6 to 7, 2 days, right? So sorry, so from 6 to 7 it is 2 days, right? So it will take 2 days. So how many leaves remaining have? 22 minus 2 equal to 20. Got it, right? We configure on the 22 leaves to the IT department. So he applied for the two leaves for those particular particular leave. I mean particular category. And then under the category 20 minus total remaining how many leaves he had? 20. 22 minus 2 equal to 20. So right. So similarly you can delete this also. If you want to leave as a LOP reject also, you can do that by click choosing this one. So this is the way you can get all the employees list how many leaves he's consumed and how many leaves he had. So left, so you can get it all the reports like this. Okay, similarly if I want to get the total reports to the leaves report, right? So how can do, I need to choose the IT department, then click on the list. See, Avinash having a IT department, approved leaves is the 1, LOP is a 0, LOP is a 22. So this is the 1. So here approved leaves nothing but it's the leave applications, how many days he consumed is. We need to go inside it, we can verify it, right? So here it is not a, how many not a days. It's a leave applications. He consumed, he applied for the one leave nothing but it's a one leave application. Under the one leave application having 2 days leaves. So similar, that's the reason he have one application. Under his application he have the two leaves 2 days. So for IT department we do have a 22 leaves. So he can get the 21 leaves, 20 leaves. Similarly, who are available on the within those employees, you can all get the all the employees details leaves like this. This is the way you can configure, you can perform the all the leaves balance and how many leaves and how many rejected and how many LOP, how many approved. You can get it all the details like this under the department wise. So this is how you can use the leave management system from Prime HRM. Thank you for this watching. Have a nice day. Bye.